Welcome to Ati's Education. Today we are going to learn how to solve problem set 17. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel for easy maths learning. So let's turn towards to problem set 17. The first question is question 1. Write the proper number in the box. Here they give us 8 sub-questions in this question and some empty boxes are there. We have to just fill that boxes with proper number. So how can we fill it? Let's see here. Question problem set 17. Question 1 and first sub-question in it is 1 upon 2 is equal to box upon 20. Here we must find the correct number for box. Let's observe the given number in answer. Here is 20 and it is a denominator of this fraction. Here they gives us that 10 times of 2 is equal to 20. 10 times of 2 is equal to 20. So let's find what is 10 times of 1. So we can get our numerator. Here 10 times 1 is 10. So our numerator for first sub-question is 10. How can we decide that? Because here they multiply 2 by 10. So we have to multiply numerator also by 10. So 1 multiplied by 10, the answer we get is 10. So in the box our answer is 10. Now look at the second question. The second question is 3 upon 4 is equal to 15 upon box. 3 upon 4 is equal to 15 upon box. Here we have to find out the denominator. The numerator they gives us. We follow the simple steps like here. We follow it. So let's find out how many times of 15. 3. So there we get 5 times of 3 is equal to 15. 15 lies on the 3's table and it is on the 5th place. 3 5s are 15. So we have to multiply 4 by 5. So 4 5s are 20. So our denominator here is 20. Now look at the third question. It is 9 upon 11 is equal to 18 upon box. Here also we have to find out denominator. Just write it in your notebook. Third question. 9 upon 11 is equal to 18 upon box. Now look at the numerator of our answer. The numerator is 18 and in the question the numerator is 9. So find out by which number we have to multiply 9, then we get the number 18. When we remember the 9's table, we find there 18 is there and it is 2 times of 9. So we just have to multiply denominator by also 2 times. So 11 multiplied by 2, it's a 22. So our answer for this box is 22. Now, fourth question. The question is 10 upon 40 is equal to box upon 8. 10 upon 40 is equal to box upon 8. Now look here. Here they gives us small denominator than our question. Here we easily find out them. Look here. Here in the question denominator and numerator are smaller than our answer. But here they give the big fraction and here they give a small fraction. So now it's no need to multiply the given fraction by any number. To getting the smaller number of this number, we have to divide it. Let's find out by which number we have to divide 40. Then we get the answer 8. First of all, find out the tables that 40 have. Let's look at the first table. When we multiply 5 by 8, then we get the answer of product 40. So 8 is given here on the denominator side. Now we have to just divide 40 by 5. So when we divide 40 by 5, the answer we get is 8. 5 8s are 40. Just like that, we have to divide 10 by 5. So divided 10 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So our answer here is 2. Now fifth question. The question is 14 upon 26 is equal to box upon 13. 14 upon 26 is equal to box upon 13. Here also we have to divide this number by the number that we get the answer 13. So find out. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s is 26. So here we have to divide 26 by 2. So let's divide it. 26 by 2, 2 1s are 1 and 2 3s are 6. Here we get 13. So just divide our numerator also by 2. 14 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. So here our answer is 7 and the fraction is 7 upon 13. Now next question. Question number 6. The question is box upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 6. Box upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 6. Now they gives us answer here and we have to find out the question. Look here. They give here 3 and in answer the denominator is 6. So find out the number by which we get the product of multiplication of 3 and that number, that is 6. Means we have to divide it 6 by 2. Then we get the number 3. So just divide 4 by 2. The answer is, when 4 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. The answer is 2 here. Now 7th question. The question is, one upon box is equal to 4 upon 20. Look here. Here we have to find out denominator of our question. In the answer they gives us 20 is the denominator and numerator is 4 and here numerator is 1. So just find out by which number we have to divide 4, then we get the answer 1 or quotient 1. So 4 4s are 1. We have to divide the 4 by the number 4. So let's divide 20 also by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So here our answer is 5. Now 8th question. In our first question, box upon 5 is equal to 10 upon 25. You have to just divide this number. You have to just divide this number by the denominator of our question. So 25 by 5, 5 5s are 25. So here we get our answer is 5. It is correct. So let's divide now our numerator also by 5. So 10 divided by 5, it's a 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Our answer is 2 for the box. Here our first question is complete. Now look at the second question. The question is, find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. We have to find out the equivalent fraction for these fractions, but the condition is their denominator must be 18. So observe these fractions first. The denominator of these fractions are below 18. They are smaller than 18. So here we are going to multiply their denominator by number. So we get the product is 18. So how? Let's see it. Question 2's first 1 upon 2. They tell us to find the equivalent fraction with denominator 18. Here we are going to multiply. Now forget the numerator and concentrate on denominator in each and every fraction, because they tell us that in our answer our denominator is must be 18. So look at the denominator. Denominator is 2. Find the number by which we get the answer 18 by multiplying 2. It's a 2 9s are 18. So just multiply here by 9. When we multiply by any number to the denominator, we have to multiply that same number for our numerator. So just multiply here also by 9. The answer we get here is 9 1s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. So our equivalent fraction for 1 upon 2 is 9 upon 18. The next question is the second fraction is given here is 2 upon 3. So just find out by which number we have to multiply 3, then we get the answer 18. When we look towards the 3's table, we find there is 18 and it is on the 6th place. So just write here 6 and here also we are going to multiply our numerator by 6. It's a rule that when the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied by the same number, then we get the our equivalent fraction. So we have to multiply here by same number or divide it by same number for our numerator. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. So our equivalent fraction for 2 upon 3 is 12 upon 18. Now look at the next question. The question is 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6. Find out the number. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So just multiply here by 3. The answer we get here is 4 3s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. Now fourth fraction is given is 2 upon 9 and we find there in 9's table there is 18. 9 2s are 18. So we are going to multiply 9 by 2 and 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18. Fifth question or fifth fraction is 7 upon 9. Here also they give fractions denominator, that is 9. So just multiplying 9 by 2 we get the answer of product 18. So multiply our numerator also by 2. 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. Sixth fraction is 5 upon 3. Here now we know that when we multiply 3 by 6, then we get the answer 18. Just multiply here 3 multiply by 6 and 5 multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30 or 5 6s are 30 and 3 6s are 18. The third question is find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 5 for each of the following fractions. Here when we observe these fractions, we notice that the denominator of our question is bigger than our answer. Here they tell us to find the denominator 5, but they give us denominator 15, 25, 30. So here when there is a big number and we have to find out the smaller number, then we must have divide this fraction by the number that we get our answer. So just divide it by exact number, so we get the answer as a 5. Question number 3. The first question is 6 upon 15. Let's find out the number by which we getting 5 as our answer. Here find out the number by which we have to divide 15, so we get our answer as a 5. So 3 5s are 15. Just divide it by 3. 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. So write here 2. Our answer is 2 upon 5. The second fraction is given here is 10 upon 25. Here the denominator is 25. Just ignore numerator and consider denominator because they tell us to make their denominators 5. So here the denominator is 25 in question. We have to divide it by the number. So we get our answer's denominator is 5. So by which number we have to divide 25, then we get the answer 5. Look at the 5's table. 5 5s are 25. When we divide 25 by 5, here we get our answer 5 5s are 25. So just divide it by 5 and numerator also be divided by 5. 5 10s are, when we divide 10 by 5, here we get answer 2. 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So here the fraction we get is 2 upon 5. The third fraction is given here is 12 upon 30. Now find out the number by which we divide 30 and get our answer as a 5. Our answer must be 5, so write here 5. And 30 is on the 6th table. 30 is in the 6th table. So 6 5s are 30. We just divide here this fraction by 6. So 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. The fourth fraction is 6 upon 10. Upon 10. Here we have to divide it by 5. 5 2s are 10 or 2 5s are 10. Here we have to divide it by 2. So we get the answer 5. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. The fifth fraction is 21 upon 35. Here the fraction's denominator is 35. Find by which number we have to divide it. So we get our answer as a 5. So when we observe the 7th table, we find that 35 is 7 5s are 35. Just divide it by 7 and 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. So our fraction is 3 upon 5. This is the first part of problem set 17. Let's see you in next part. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.